start. Okay. Are you going back to bed, Dominic? Hey, Dominic, are you going back to bed? Hey, Dominic. I want to have a meeting with you tonight and go over everything that we talked about and even more. And you could think about things that you want to go over too. But you got to talk to me, And the only thing I really asked you to do right now is take a shower, and we're going to fix a bed for you. So that's not too much, right? Is it too much? Because if it is too much, you got to talk to me as well. But we do have to have some rules in place. Yep, that's what we're going to have to do. And yeah, and you could think of some things too that you want to. Everything will be up to discussion, but don't ignore me, Dominic. Sometimes you could ignore me, but not when we're trying to figure out what it's going to take to have you stay here, right? So what I'm going to ask you to do is take a shower within the next hour so that I don't have to keep asking you all night. Because that's going to be part of the rules. Hygiene is definitely going to be part of the rules. To brush your teeth every night and to take a shower a couple times a week, right? You just gotta. It's normal. And a lot of people would say every day, but I'm not saying every day. I'm just saying twice a week. And we'll make it easy for you. You're not. I want to say one thing to you, Dominic. Anywhere in the whole world you go, you're not going to find fairer rules than what I want to present to you. You won't. So you could at least listen to them and discuss them, right? And so please do that so that I don't have to get mad at you and keep talking. It's pointless. All I'm asking you right now is to take a shower. We'll do some things together later, like fix a nice bed for you and even a little room for you. Right? I am just the coolest thing you're going to find, Dominic, right? And whatever you're resisting right now, you can talk about. But don't just turn me off. That's not a good idea. It's just not a good idea. It's not going to be beneficial. We need to get some things clarified. And I know how to do that. And I'm also 100% with your best interest in mind until every day of your life. And that's never going to change.
That's not true, Nana.
It is absolutely true.
You're not always on.
I am absolutely. Okay, go ahead. Give me an example. You can't.
Oh, an example is that you touch my stuff every time that I don't really want you to.
I touch myself?
You do that a lot.
I touch myself? What are you saying? That I touch you? That has never happened. Ever. So we're not going to deal with bullshit, but we're going to deal with the truth. And all I'm asking you right now is to take a shower. And we're going to have a meeting.
If you don't like me, don't stand there.
Dominic, you're never going to, in the whole world, you're never going to find any other rules or any place that's going to treat you more fairly. Right? Ever. So I'm really going to be cool with you. But don't dream up things, and we're going to talk about truthful things. We're going to stick with the truth. And I'm going to call you on things if you don't stick with the truth.
You don't stick to the truth.
I absolutely do, and yeah, I do, and that's it. I do. I'm really fucking good at the truth, Dominic. I'm really good at it. Get it together so that we don't have to have a big fight, because you can stay outside again if you want.